Namaste, let's begin. First stock I asked you to buy was Wipro and the level was 670 rupees. Let me check daily chart of Wipro. Yes, the breakout did happen and the stop loss is 2 rupees. Let me go to where the breakout happened. Here. Yes, you can easily see both the targets were achieved without any fuss. Two targets hit. Talking about second stock, buy JSW Steel at 671 rupees. Let me go to daily chart. Yes, there was a breakout. 671. Oh no, there was a gap up opening. Unfortunately, I should have given you at least 4 to 5 rupees of margin from the closing price of yesterday's session. Nonetheless, we move on. Third stock was Mrs. Bector. Let me check this stock out. No, 410, 47, 49. Let me go to 5-minute chart. Where was the breakout? Somewhere here. Yes. 4749. So 49 only because price came down. So here one target got hit. One target. And the last stock was Amara Raja Battery. Buying level was at 730 rupees. Amara Raja, I have to go to daily chart once again. 730. Yes, 730. Now I will go to 5-minute chart. Where was the breakout? Somewhere here. 730. Where was it? No. 732. Let me zoom out. Here. Yes. So 735 and then price came all the way to 728. Let me see the low. 728.05, which means the target till 742 was easily achieved. Array, I can't write anything. I mistakenly write something else. I should have mentioned 732. Nonetheless, I'll say one target hit. First stock that I am going to analyze is Alembic Pharma. I have drawn a breakout line on daily chart at the level of 822 rupees. Here was the first time price came near the breakout level. After that, sellers came into the picture and they were successful in pushing the price lower at 725, and this is the level where buyers started accumulating. As we can see, there are cluster of bullish candle spread across the chart, and after that in today's session there was this huge bullish momentum, and this bullish momentum took the price near the breakout level, but due to profit booking it was not able to close at its daily high. So this particular price action has formed a perfect breakout level, and if breakout happens on the back of long range bullish candle and spike in volume activity, we can see a decent bullish momentum which can take the stock price in the vicinity of 850 or so. Mazda is our second stock for tomorrow's session. I am going to draw a breakout line at 670 rupees. So this is a level which has been in danger of getting broken. So first time, this is a cluster. These are the cluster of candles where it seems that price is going to go over 670 rupees, but sellers managed to peg back. And after that, this was the second time, and again this was third time, and this is fourth time. One thing is common in all the attempts made by buyers to break this level. We'll begin with this level. The low here is 625 and the low here was elevated to 640, and again the low here is somewhere 648 to 650, which means that buyers are slowly regaining control, and on the other hand sellers are being thrown out. And if this process grows and snowballs into a decent bullish momentum, we can see a uptrend which can easily take the stock price over 700 rupees. Third stock is UPL Limited. On hourly chart, this is a perfect breakout at the level of 728. Now I am going to draw a pattern. Let me draw it. It is a Japanese candlestick pattern. Please pause the video and tell me in comment box what this pattern is called. I am going to wait for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. So this pattern is called ascending triangle. The breakout is at the horizontal level of 728. One thing here, pay attention. This is also a W pattern. I'm going to select a darker line. W, first part, second part, third part, fourth part. The previous low was at the round number of 700 and the current low is elevated to 715. So this says it all, that buyers have a stranglehold on the price, and this is a higher highs, higher lows pattern, also a channel pattern. So we have so many Japanese candlestick pattern along with price action conforming to a same conclusion, and that conclusion is breakout above 728, and this particular breakout can really spike the stock price somewhere in the vicinity of 750 or even more than that. Fourth and final stock is Hindalco Industries. We can't find a better breakout level than this. In hourly chart, the breakout level is located above 465 rupees, and on top of breakout level we can see a huge gap. So this will be our target. Talking about the logic, see here, this is a V-shaped recovery, and the most important thing here is that see how many bullish candle we can find in this rally. We can find so many long range bullish candles, and at the same time we can only find two smallish range bearish candle. This says a lot of it. Also one thing, here price came at the breakout level and then slowly there was a profit booking. If price has to come lower, we would have seen a bearish candle here, but in last 2 hours there was an accumulation happening just below the breakout level. So buyers are trying their best, and on the other hand there are no sellers, almost no sellers. So this is bound for a breakout and we should take full advantage of it. These are the levels I am going to share in my Telegram channel. As I always say, we have to only put 1 or 2% of our total trading capital as a stop loss if we want to maintain longevity. That's it in this particular video. We will meet in the next video. Take care all of you.